How can I join the Spotify Duo Premium plan on my Spotify application right in front of you? For this, I'm opening the Spotify official app just on my laptop screen. You can use it on your mobile screen too. On the top of the screen, there is a lot of option, and one option is called Explore the Premium. You have to click on Explore Premium. Whenever you will scroll down after clicking on it, you will see different type of premium subscription plans, and this is the premium duo plan that is for rupees 149 2 months. In this you will get two premium accounts, cancel anytime, and you can subscribe or you can just on time payment on this. To get this plan, you have to click on Get Premium Duo here, and you can enter your UPI address details. You can enter you can also check that the price for 1 year, 6 months, 3 months, and the 1 month. Whenever you will click on any plan, you will see two options. First one is UPI, that is only for India, and the second one is for credit or debit card. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel for watching more updates and videos like this.